Honorable Adow, you have a request for statement also?
Yes. Yes, Speaker. Thank you. Honorable Speaker, pursuant to the provisions of Standing Order 44-2C, I rise to seek for a statement from the Chairperson of the Departmental Committee on Administration and Internal Security regarding the disappearance of several persons under unclear circumstances. Honorable Speaker, on the 9th of May 2024, Mr. Jama Adan Mohamed, ID number 33628771, was abducted by security personnel and his whereabouts remain unknown to date. The matter was reported at Liboi Police Station under OB number 120905-2024. Additionally, two other individuals, Mr. Abdi Adan Elmi, ID number 25919658, and Mr. Isaac Abdi, ID number 41166945, were abducted on 1st of September 2025 at the Dajabula location in Sabuli Sub-County, Wajir South constituency. Their disappearance was reported at the Dajabula police station under OB number 0501092025. Despite numerous efforts by the affected families to obtain assistance from government and security agencies to trace their loved ones, no tangible progress has been made to date. Inquiries at local police stations have yielded no information, and the prolonged absence has caused immense emotional and psychological distress to the affected families and communities. Honorable Speaker, these incidents raise grave concerns regarding the protection of fundamental rights as guaranteed under Article 29 of the Constitution, which safeguards every individual from arbitrary deprivation of freedom and the right to security. The inaction by security agencies undermines public confidence in the government's commitment to uphold justice and protect citizens. Honorable Speaker, it's against this background that I request for a statement from the Chairperson of the Departmental Committee on Administration and Internal Security on the following. Number one, the current status of investigations into the disappearance of Mr. Jama Adan Mohamed, ID number 33628771, Mr. Abdi Adan Ilmi, ID number 25919658, and Mr. Isaac Abdi, ID number 41166945, as reported under OB numbers 120905-2024 and 050109-2025. And also, number two, what measures are being taken by the Ministry of Interior and National Administration to ensure the safety and protection of Wajir South, of the residents of Wajir South constituency from these horrible illegal seizures by security personnel? I thank you, Honorable Speaker.